3 types of meditation that anyone can start easily. There are countless different forms of meditation, each of which has different benefits and effects on your mental state and your health. Choosing which of these types of meditation is right for you is one of the most important decisions you will make when it comes to ensuring you can get the most out of the practice and reap the full benefits. Keep listening, and we'll go over 3 types of meditation that will lend themselves perfectly to those just starting out. Mindfulness. Let's start with one of the most popular forms of meditation currently, mindfulness. In mindfulness meditation, the objective is to be more mindful of your own thoughts, simply to better understand what you are thinking and how that's affecting your mood and your well-being. Eventually, mindfulness meditation will allow you to be more aware of your own thoughts and feelings at any given time, effectively turning any activity into a kind of meditation. Gazing meditation. Gazing meditation is a kind of meditation that involves, you guessed it, gazing. Here, you will gaze at a specific object in space, with good candidates being a running river or a flickering candle. This can serve as a powerful aid for those who are new to meditation. Another option for gazing meditation is to try utilizing wide-angle vision. This means using your peripheral vision in order to take a broader view of your environment. That in turn helps to calm anxieties, seeing as tunnel vision is associated with stress and the fight or flight response. It also helps to remove any focus, thereby making it easier to empty the mind. Nada meditation. Nada meditation is a form of meditation that involves listening to sounds. This could mean listening to a specific sound. Once again, a river is a popular choice, as is a crackling fire. Or once more, it could mean listening to all the sounds at once, attempting to take in as many sounds as possible. It's funny when you stop and listen just how many things you can hear that normally would pass over you unnoticed due to your laser focus. Finally, you can use nada meditation by listening to music and losing yourself in it. This is a strategy that many people feel more comfortable with, and that can be very enjoyable. Pick a classical piece of music or something else without words.